Hey guys, welcome back. So this short video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase your cryptocurrency from crypto.com. Now, crypto.com is the mobile form, is a mobile app that you can download on your phone and set up your account, hook it up with your credit card or your actual bank account. And from there, you can transfer funds onto crypto.com and purchase your cryptocurrency. And once you purchase your cryptocurrency, you can transfer that cryptocurrency to your, now in this case, if you are joining our Etherchain community, so then you can transfer your Ethereum from the crypto.com app into your wallet, which is, I use the MetaMask right here. You can see it's a Chrome extension. And all you need to transfer the Ethereum from crypto.com to MetaMask is the use of this account here. So all you have to do is copy your account and then you can paste that on crypto. I'll show you how to do that on crypto.com and you can transfer your Ethereum. It's very easy. All right. So right now here, let me just tell you what you need to do. So in our training, this is video number 4B right here, which says, watch how to purchase cryptocurrency from crypto.com. It's a short video, okay? So watch that. And below the video, there's this link here. Now, this is my referral link. So if you use my link, and here is the referral code that you're going to need to put in when you are opening your account at crypto.com. They're going to ask you for this referral link. So you click this link, and it's going to take you to, and you can actually see my referral code is right there. So just make sure the code matches, because that way you can get $50, free $50 to open an account. Okay. So then put your email address, your best email address, and click submit. I'm not going to do that because I already have an account. Okay. So just put your best email address and click submit. And then they're going to send you to verify an email that you're going to click on that email and verify your address. And from that email, if you click that email on your mobile phone, you should be able to download the app. Okay. So I'm going to try to see if I can show you the app on my phone here. This is my iPhone. And let's go to my iPhone. So that's my iPhone right there. And here is the app right here. This is the app right here. This is the app. So when I click on that, it opens like that. This is one of my test accounts. So you can see the Ethereum that I have on there. I was testing stuff out here. So you can see that there. Now, if you want to go back, let's see. If you want to purchase Ethereum, once you have your account all set up, you can go to this, click onto this thing right here. It's like their logo. Click on that and it's gonna take you to where it says wallet. You click on that wallet, and then on that wallet, you can now choose the cryptocurrency that you want to purchase. So you can choose that one right there, okay, Ethereum, and go ahead and purchase that. Now, if you want to transfer, once you've purchased your Ethereum and you need to transfer that to the MetaMask, which is your wallet, then you can just click on transfer and you're going to say withdraw, and then you're going to go to external wallet and it's going to ask you to put your account. All right. So guys, this is straightforward. Okay. So just click the link below and open your account on your mobile and download the app. Now, if you want to just go to the App Store, all right, so you can just go to the App Store. Let's see, the App Store is right here, the App Store. So you click that, App Store, and right there, it looks like that. So that's the crypto.com. Download that app. I already have it downloaded. That's why it says open, but you can download it and just fill in your information. They may need to verify your account. So just follow. It may be right away or just follow the steps. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this one. Thank you. Bye-bye. Now, if you have any questions, you can always reach us on Facebook group or use our, or go to our Telegram group and ask your questions, and we'll help you. Okay? Thank you.